English is viewed as a foreign language in Bangladesh. The curriculum of English needs to maintain a balance of focus between real-life application and a good understanding of the context. The concept of English subject can be framed with three core components containing knowledge and skills required for a learner. In terms of knowledge, it covers linguistic rules along with their use relevant for the local and global context. Interpretability, that learners' ability to interact and understand literal as well as intended meaning of a given verbal or non-verbal text. On the other hand, clarity of expression demands the learner's ability to express clearly, concisely, distinctively and appropriately in effective communication. However, effective communication also requires contextual understanding and cultural awareness, along with a democratic attitude. These three components lead to the idea of intercultural communicative competence, ICC. Through ICC, the core knowledge and skills are mediated for the applications in three major areas, which are real-life application, sense of identity, and creative expression. Real-life application covers the practice of English in everyday communication for academic purpose as well as for other specific purposes. To exchange thoughts and emotions, learners need to internalize aesthetic value for creative expression as well as to appreciate the beauty of literature. Learners' sense of identity equips them with the ability to recognize and evaluate the linguistic norms about the power relation in a particular cultural context.
How are you all? Please be seated. I think you have taken your seat properly, okay? Now I am going to take your attendance. Please be attentive. I think it's so hot today. Make sure to drink plenty of water, okay? In the previous class, I have completed experience 2. Now I will discuss the topic experience 3, okay? Please take out your book, page 27. Experience name, the sense of beauty. The sense of beauty. Can you tell me what is the meaning of the sense of beauty? Anyone? Yes or no? Very good. The sense of beauty means সৌন্দর্যের অনুভূতি. Sit down. Can you tell me what is the definition of beauty? Anyone? Please raise your hand. Anyone? Tell me what is the definition of beauty? Okay, it's not matter. I will tell you. Actually, beauty is found in different forms. Okay, it can be found in nature, in art, in people, and many other things. According to philosopher, beauty is a subjective concept and it is found in, it is interested or it is found in everywhere. It is their individual opinion. Okay, beauty is also found in people, but it's not just physical appearance. It is verified from their personality and their inner beauty. Understand? Actually, it is a complex concept that cannot be defined by one simple answer. Tell me some beautiful scene. Anyone? Please stand up. Anyone? Sajak Valley. Very good. Have you ever visited Sajak Valley? No. It's not a problem. You will visit in future. Okay. Have you ever visited Cox's Bazar? Yes. Raise your hand. Who visited Cox's Bazar? Okay, very good. We see that there are many boys and girls who visited Cox's Bazar. Okay. Please listen to me carefully so that you can clear your my instruction. Okay. Activity 3.1.1. Look at the advertisements for the package tours given below. In groups, make a choice of a package tour that you are going to take. If you are asked to, then ask and answer the following question. There are Bengali translation here. নিচে দেওয়া প্যাকেজ ট্যুরের বিজ্ঞাপনগুলো দেখো। যদি তোমাকে যেতে বলা হয় দলে আলোচনা করে তুমি যাচ্ছ এমন একটি প্যাকেজ ট্যুর বেছে নাও। এরপর নিচের প্রশ্নগুলো আলোচনা করো। Now I will show you a picture of Chandergari. Can you see the picture? Yes. There is also a picture of Chandergari. Can you see this? Yes. When you will visit Sajak Valley, you will have to ride on this gari. Okay? Yes. That means Chandergari. This is the picture of Chandergari. Okay? Yes. Some features of these two packages. And you have also to choose one package from these two packages. Before going through the activity 3.1.1, I will find out some new vocabs. Okay? First one, expedition. Can you tell me what is the meaning of expedition? Anyone? You don't know the meaning of expedition? Very good. Sit down. Expedition means Obhijan. Next one, travel itinerary. Travel. Can you tell me what is the meaning of travel itinerary? Anyone? Yes, Tanjil. Brahmaner Shomashuchi. Very good. Give a big applause for him. Next one, transportation. Can you tell me what is the meaning of transportation? Anyone? Yes, Turna. Poribahan. Very good. Transportation means Poribahan. I will write down this vocabulary that can help you to understand this activity. Understand? Mesmerizing. Who can tell the meaning of this word? Yes or no?
চমৎকার, আকর্ষণীয়।
আকর্ষণীয়, চমৎকার. Very good. Sit down. Another one, waterfall. Who can tell the meaning of this word? Yes, Mahua. Yes? Jalaprapat. Very good. Sit down. What is the meaning of helipad? Anyone? Don't you know the meaning of the helipad? Yes, Smita. Very good. Give a big applause for her. হেলিকপ্টারের ওঠানামা স্থান, যেখানে হেলিকপ্টার কি করে ওঠানামা করে। And vocabs that you have do not know the meaning of this word. Okay? Meaning of this word explore. Who can tell the meaning? Yes, Rabanti. অনুসন্ধান. Very good. অন্বেষণ করা, পরীক্ষা করা, অভিযান চালানো. If you face any difficulty, you would take my help. Your time is start up now. Only 10 minutes. Is any problem? Have you facing any problem? Without, you have given only 10 minutes. If you face any problem, you take my help, okay? Here is your book. এমনি কাগজে লিখে রেখেছি পরে উঠাবো হ্যাঁ আমি রেকর্ডটা আমার কাছে আছে স্যার আজকেরটা মূল্যায়ন নেই স্যার আজকেরটাই মূল্যায়ন নেই Have you finished your reading? Okay, next. Page nong 30. You can see some question. Okay. First, you have to discuss this question answer to your partner. Okay. Then you have to write down the question answer in your individual copy. Understand? First, you have to discuss this with your partner. Then you have to write down this your exercise book because this is your individual work. Understand? You have given only 10 minutes. First 5 minutes you have to discuss this question answer and next 5 minutes you have to write down the question answer. Okay, your time is start of now. Have you finished your writing? Okay. Which group come to the first question? Do you like to travel? Tuna, come here. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
Very good. Give a big applause for her. Another question. What tourist places do you like to visit? Yes, Sarah.
Sajak Valley.
Only Sajak Valley?
Yeah.
Very good. She wants to visit Sajak Valley, okay? Sit down. Next question. What are the reasons for choosing their places, these places? Anyone who can tell their question answer?
The reason for choosing these places are the natural and green scenery.
Okay, very good. Next question. How do you decide to go where? Decide where to go. Are you inspired by other people's travel stories, photos or advertising or what else? Anyone who can tell the answer? Yes.
I decided where to go by listening to other people travel stories, photos. Yes, I inspired by other people travel stories, photos or advertising.
Very good. Give back big applause for him. Next question and the last question. How have you make your choices from the above two tourist attractions? Yes, Rudra.
I would go for the Sajak Valley tour package. The idea of staying at an eco resort on top of Sajak Valley and exploring places like Aluthila Cave, Hajachoria and Rising waterfall sounds like a unique and adventurous experience, plus the all-inclusive transportations and may make it a convenient and attractive option for a student like me.
Very good. Give a big applause for him. Okay, we will finish the question answer. Have you understood the lesson? In the next class, we will discuss the activity 3.1.1. Okay, we already have discussed the topic 3.1.1 and in the next class we will discuss the topic 3.2.1. This is your homework. Read out this activity at your home. You have to write down your diary, okay? Your homework is 3.2.1. You have to read out this activity at your home. Now I will have to finish my today's lesson. Okay. See you tomorrow. Okay. Goodbye.